Hi everyone, welcome to Basic and Advanced Excel. So today we are doing the edit custom list. So how we can create the how we can create the custom list in Excel? A custom list in Excel is very handy to fill a range of cells with your own personal list. It could be a list of your all team member at a work, countries, regions, phone numbers, or the customers. The main goal of the custom list is to remove the repetitive task from the your inputting. Okay, so let's see a few example of the how we can create the custom list in Excel. Okay, so for creating a custom list you need to go first in the file, then you can see here the Excel options. In the Excel option you need to select here in the advanced, then advanced after you have to click here, you need to click here in the edit custom list. Okay, this is a button for the custom list. Okay, now you can see here one box for the custom list is appearing here. Okay, now you have to input your custom list name. Okay, whatever you want to add it into the list. Okay, now let's see few example of the custom list, how we can create the custom list in Excel. Okay, let's suppose I'm writing here the Jan. Okay, then I'm dragging down.
Jan.
Now they will be show me the all the name after they coming with the Jan. Okay, all the months name, Jan, Feb, March. Okay, till December I drag it. Okay, now let's suppose if I write here Sunday. Okay, now see here, if I write here Sunday, then if I drag it down, then they will
Sunday.
be show me the all the my days name. Okay, the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all the day names appearing here because I drag it down. Okay, so this is a custom list is defined by the Excel. Okay, now what if I say I have some list. Okay, so I want to write the same list in the Excel. Let's suppose if I write here Vinod, because my first name is starting with the Vinod. Okay, if I write here one name of the my
Vinod.
employee, then if I drag it down. Okay, then if I drag it down, then I want a same list like the Sunday, Monday. It's like in the Excel. Okay, so how we can create the custom list? Let's see here. I'm going into the file. After the file you need to go into the options. In the options we need to go here in the advanced. In the advanced we need to come down. Okay, then go to the journal. In the journal we need to this is my journal box. In the journal box we have the edit custom list. Okay, you need to click here the edit custom list. Now see here the custom list is appearing. Now Sunday, Monday is a half, Sunday, Monday is the full name of Sunday, Monday, then Jan, Feb, then January, February. Okay, it's available in the Excel is by default because it's creating by the use Excel. Okay, now I want to import my list. I want this list will be here, so I selected I click it on the import list cell from cells. Okay, then select here. Okay, then you need to click you selected the range, then you need to click here import. Now see here the list is your added into the your custom list. Okay, it's same like the Sunday, Monday. Okay, then click here okay, then okay. Now if I write here Vinod and then if I drag it down, now see here we have a list of the employees. Let's suppose now I'm writing here Saurabh.
Saurabh.
Now if I drag it down, now see here after the Saurabh, whatever the names are coming, they showing me as the list. Okay, so this is a custom list is created. You can create by your own, and if you are doing this some repetitive task, you are writing name again and again or anything, countries, date or anything, you can add the numbers also and import the numbers also here. Okay, so you can create your own custom list with the help of this feature in the Excel. Okay, thank you guys.